Hello children, welcome to the next class of Bio. We are in chapter 12, Reproduction in Plants. And we had seen that there are two types of reproduction in plants, sexual and asexual. We are seeing the asexual reproduction. We have seen in asexual vegetative propagation. Then we have seen how this in asexual reproduction plants grow from stem like in grow from stem like in rose. They grow from eyes like in potato and ginger, and they grow from leaves like in bryophyllum. How plants grow from roots like in sweet potato and dahlia, and how cactus develops into a new plant when a part of it is detached from the mother plant. Now we will see the next type of asexual reproduction, which is the budding. From the bird, budding means the parent plant develops a structure called bud. Generally we see it in yeast. Okay, ईस्ट आपको पता होगा, अगर आपकी मम्मी बेकिंग वगैरह में यूज़ करती हैं तो ईस्ट होता है पाउडर टाइप ऑफ थिंग, छोटा छोटा दाना की तरह होता है. ठीक है. एंड ईस्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, we take the yeast, put it in water, and put a spoonful of sugar and keep it in a warm place for few hours. After that, if we observe that under a microscope, what we will see that the yeast, when it gets all the favorable conditions, it develops into a bird. yeast का जो body है उससे एक outgrowth शुरू हो जाता है, and ये outgrowth क्या करता है, धीरे धीरे पेरेंट बॉडी से अलग हो जाता है, और फिर ये जो बर्ड है ये फिर अपना नया बर्ड ऐसे शुरू करता है. दिस वे द ईस्ट ग्रोज इनटू साइट, इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट. ओके, एंड दिस प्रोसेस of yeast developing into a bird and the bird detaching from the parent plant and developing into a new yeast cell is known as budding. Okay, so this is asexual reproduction in yeast. Now come to the next type of asexual reproduction, that is fragmentation. Fragment means छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में बढ़ जाना, and generally fragmentation is seen in algae. Now algae is what, many times you might have seen that in ponds there is a green color on top of the water. अगर आप कभी ध्यान दोगे बहुत सारे तालाब में ठहरा हुआ पानी में आपको पानी के ऊपर एक ग्रीन लेयर दिखेगा, दैट इज ऑफ एल्गे. एंड एल्गे व्हाट इट डज, when water and nutrients are available, the algae starts growing very fast. And how it grows, algae divides into two, it fragments into two parts. Okay, and then what happens, this fragment again will divide into two. Okay, and ऐसे करके algae जो है पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हुए, फ्रैगमेंट्स बनाते हुए, it develops into a new individual. And this process is also fast and it covers a large area in short time. And the next asexual reproduction is spore formation. Spore means again छोटा छोटा दाना, and this we will see in molds. Okay, on a piece of bread, even in fungi, like on a bread which grows on bread. If the bread is moist, we will see fungi growing on that. That is also reproduction by spore formation. And another, it is observed in a fungus which is known as Spirogyra. Okay, see here, it is given here, this one, it is a Spirogyra. Okay, sorry, it is a fungus. And here what happens, this fungus which is found in bread, there is a hypha stem like structure, and there is a collection of spores under the sporangium. Okay, and this sporangium has a hard cell. ये sporangium जो होता है फंगी का, ये एक हार्ड स्ट्रक्चर है जिसके अंदर छोटा छोटा स्पोर्स रहता है, और ये हार्ड सेल जब ब्रेक कर जाता है स्पोर्स बाहर निकल जाता है, एंड द स्पोर्स गिव्स राइज टू अ new fungi. And spore asexual reproduction, one more best example is fern. ये फर्न आपके स्कूल में भी ये प्लांट है, उसमें देखोगे पत्ते के नीचे के पोर्शन में, नीचे हिस्से में ऐसे दाना दाना आपको दिखेगा. These are spores. Okay, and this fern also, they also reproduce by asexual reproduction. ये spores जब गिरेगा मिट्टी में, it will develop into a new fern. Okay. So the spores are asexual reproductive bodies and they're covered by a hard covering. When the conditions are favorable, means when they get high temperature and low humidity, they break down and develops into a new individual. And spore formation, asexual mode of spore formation takes place in fungi, it takes place in ferns and mosses. Okay, kai, जो moss काई जम जाता है वो भी ग्रो करता है. देखोगे काई मॉस बहुत जल्दी जम जाता है. दिस ऑल्सो रिप्रोड्यूसेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्पोर फॉर्मेशन. Alright, so today we are seeing only this much and we have completed the part of asexual reproduction.